Welcome to a world where financial growth is no longer confined to traditional investments. Ever wondered how Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, continues to revolutionize the way we perceive wealth? Well, today we take a deep dive into this digital goldmine. First, we explore Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's phenomenal rise has proven that it's not just a fad, but a financial powerhouse. Despite its volatility, it continues to offer opportunities for significant wealth generation. The key lies in understanding its market trends, potential future, and how to strategically invest in it. Next, we'll shift gears and discuss the broader cryptocurrency market. With a multitude of projects popping up daily, the crypto landscape is a treasure trove of potential wealth. We'll guide you through the latest trends, helping you identify promising projects that could yield high returns. Ever wondered what Arweave is? Well, it's more than just another cryptocurrency. Arweave offers a unique solution to decentralized data storage, making it a standout in the crypto space. We'll delve into how Arweave works and why it's catching the eye of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Lastly, we'll explore the world of altcoins. These Bitcoin alternatives hold immense potential that's yet to be fully tapped. We'll introduce you to some of the most promising altcoins making waves in the market, each with its unique features and potential to solve real-world problems. In summary, the world of cryptocurrencies, led by Bitcoin and followed by numerous altcoins, offers a plethora of opportunities for wealth generation. Among them, Arweave stands out with its unique proposition in decentralized data storage. By staying informed and making educated decisions, you could potentially unlock a new level of financial prosperity. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency trends, Arweave and altcoins. Remember, the world of crypto is dynamic and ever-evolving. Stay informed, invest wisely, and who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, here's to your financial growth.